Well, it is true that in the early 90s, Ukraine and Pakistan engaged in the military and defense cooperation, which helped Pakistan to significantly strengthen its capacity to defend the country. And your Al-Hadid tank came to life, is the child of our bilateral cooperation, and we were happy to help you. But it's an exaggeration to say that defense is the only big issue, the only big project in our relationship. I will recall just one fact. 2 years ago, it was Ukrainian traders who helped Pakistan solve the floor crisis. It was Ukraine who provided Pakistan with more than 1 million tons of grain, helping to your government to solve crisis and keep food prices under control. So this is another big example of our cooperation. Pakistani students, thousands of them, were studying in Ukraine before the war started. Coming back to defense sector, we don't have neither private nor government-to-government arrangements with Pakistan on the delivery of any types of weapons or ammunition to Ukraine. And as of now, the content of our defense cooperation is actually continuation of the contracts signed in 90s and ever after to develop, to maintain and upgrade your tanks and other types of military equipment. So it's actually us who are still helping you to strengthen your defense capabilities.